This is my IK Foam Pro 2 Plus without bulb. This is the one with the Magyar well cleaner. Look. The foam is very good. See? Magyar. And I will be using the chemical, guys. This is the one that I bought to the detail image, and this comes with a bulb opening. I didn't touch with the bulb yet. But the problem with this is not giving me a lot of soap. A lot of foam. Take a look. Okay. But they are the same intermediate, how you call that, intermediate foam. Let me open this one. See, the same gray. See, IK Pro 2 Plus, IK Pro 2, IK Pro 2 Plus, IK Pro 2. What are the difference? See, Magyar well cleaner and chemical, guys. Mga tapo.